Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. I'm just getting ready to head out to CanalFest to see what's going on down there. I'm kind of nervous about filming by myself down there, but it'd be nice if Aaron was here. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out and see what's going on. Probably won't be down there too long. I don't do well in social situations when there's a lot of people, but cars do catch my attention. So if there is a car show going on tonight, that's where I'll be for the most part. Trying to film some cool cars and anything else interesting that happens. Hopefully it doesn't turn out to be a really long video, so I'm gonna try and keep the clips that I film short, so that it doesn't come out to 20-minute video or whatever. But I'm gonna start walking over there, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm closer to CanalFest than I was before. See, it's hot out. The sun is out, the rain is gone. I'm not sure what to expect up here, but we shall see. Okay, so here we are at the car show.
Automatic with the paddle shift. What does that mean? You look on the steering wheel. Oh, I got you. Right. Gotcha.
Clown didn't know what paddle shifting is. Some nice cars here.
I kind of like that part that we second.
Now this is a nice car. Too bad it's an automatic. Challenger. Another automatic.
Hi, nice seeing you.
She might come down here later on.
Oh, we gotta come back this way, so she's here.
Right here, this is nice.
One of these weird looking Thunderbirds they came out with. Look at this old vet. It's got something serious under the hood. Not bad for a Chevy. Wow. Ugly car, nice motor. Got the old Camaro back here. Oh, that's actually a manual.
Yeah, that's a drink.
Always like these Camaros. AMX. Nice. Nice, nice. It's hard to, it's kind of hard to vlog with all these people around here. 5-0. That interior is nice. Looks like the aluminum on there's a little scratched up. Nice wheels. Focus, camera, focus. There we go. It's the other Mustang. Another AMC. I'm sorry. That's not what I was thinking it was. It's not bad. Oh, this car is serious. Let's take a look at the motor. It's a very nice motor. This one is for sale.
Right now it's no. Right now it's no.
And it is a manual. That is awesome. Oh, they're not even from here. What do we got here? Jesus. That is awesome.
Look it.
Crazy, crazy. Let's go see. Let's go see what else is around here. We're gonna check out this purple truck over here.
Hell yeah.
It's not like the one my grandfather had in his yard
Remember it?
that we tried to get.
It's beautiful. Nice paint on it.
Yeah,
Nice.
What year is this?
Some people don't know what's going on, I guess. But that's pretty much the car show. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought there'd be some nicer stuff here, but okay, everybody, I'm back. Real quick, I just got to run up to the store real fast, and I figured by the time I get back, there'll be more cars at the car show because it goes until 10, I think. And I seen some other cars showing up, so hopefully by the time I get back there'll be more. My only fear is that there's gonna be more people and it's gonna make it difficult to vlog. One of my main concerns was how loud it was and if it picked up the audio with both cameras. Something I'll have to look at tonight, but I do want to finish the video soon so I don't end up posting it late at night. I'd like to post the video at a decent time. So the plan is run to the store, come back, hopefully that's enough time for more cars to have shown up, and then I'll try and get some more footage of the other cars that are there, and then I'll wrap it up. So I will see you guys, I don't know, soon. Hey everybody, I gotta stop saying that, Jesus. But I just want to film a quick outro for my first video. I filmed enough to have over 20 minutes of footage, so I'm going to chop them up into two pieces, so there's a two-part video. Sorry about that. I just wanted to, like I said, make an outro for the first video. There's one thing in there I said too. I said I was disappointed. I don't want that to be perceived as any sort of negativity. I guess I just had high hopes for something, but I don't know. I don't know why I said that. I didn't mean anything mean by it or anything like that. There were some cool cars there. I did enjoy going to the show and seeing what they had there. I always like a good car show. And it's awesome that they do it at CanalFest, that they have, the car show there. It's pretty cool. I'm glad I went because, like I said, I hadn't been to CanalFest in years. So, to go was, it was nice. Lots of friendly people out and about. The weather was good for it. I was actually sweating. But it turned out to be a nice day, and they got to have the car show, and that's awesome. So, excuse me. So, like I said, I just want to film a quick outro and clear up any negativity by me saying I was disappointed. I didn't mean that in a negative way or anything like that. But like I said, I did enjoy the car show, and I'm going to be uploading this part while I work on the other part, and I'll hopefully have them both online tonight, at least on Facebook. I'm a little behind as far as uploading goes, so I gotta at least get this on Facebook, and then later on, probably tomorrow, I'll upload both parts to YouTube and to Patreon, and then I will also send out a tweet for the post for the video. Really quick, exciting news. Lake Effect. I almost did it again. Lake Effect ice cream. I posted the video from me and Aaron and I going to Lake Effect Ice Cream, and they liked the tweet. So I thought that was pretty cool that the establishment we went to get ice cream, they saw the video and that they liked it. So that's a bit of good news, and I think it's a good place for me to cut off the intro so the video's not too long. So thanks to you, as always, whoever watches. I hate to say it, but I'm feeling compelled to say it. Leave a like, a comment, or whatever you want. Or you don't have to do anything. Just watching the video is enough for me. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the views I get. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.